Again, so many people have said, why am I appointing almost 100,000 special assistants? What are they going to do? I told them, you are not the one that's appointing. It is me who is appointing. It's me that wear the shoe that knows the pictures. It is not you outside because you are not in governance. I know what it takes. And I know that these people are going to help me. Because now that I'm finishing, I want to finish very, very well. And assuming we want to understand to them, remember when we commissioned Rebisi flyover, when Fashola came to commission that Rebisi flyover, remember I told you we have done a lot of infrastructure. There will come a time when we do stomach infrastructure. And this is part of stomach infrastructure. It is Rivers State money. If I invest Rivers State money in Rivers people, did I do wrong? No! Did I do wrong? No! As I speak to you, my mailbox almost crashed. People are sending text messages. Why are you leaving us alone? The job is too much. This number cannot do the work. Therefore, a lot of us will have volunteered to be part of this work. And I can announce to you today, we have increased the number from 100,000 to 200,000. So, all the local government go home. Identify your people who will be part of this job to help Rivers State to see where we are in the Committee of Nations in this country. It is very, very important.